Origami Studio, developed by Meta, is a powerful tool for designing and prototyping interactive user interfaces. Here's how to get started. Download and install Origami Studio. Download Origami Studio from origami.design. Install it on your macOS system and launch the application. Familiarize yourself with the interface. The workspace consists of the canvas, the patch editor, and the inspector. Create a new project. Start a new project by clicking File, New. Import design assets from Sketch or Figma, or create shapes and text directly within Origami. Use layers to build your design. Add layers like shapes, text, or images to the canvas. Arrange them in a hierarchy to define your visual structure. Add interactivity with the patch editor. Drag patches to the patch editor to add animations, interactions, and transitions. For instance, use a tap patch to trigger an action when a user clicks a button. Preview and test. Use the preview window or Origami Live app on connected devices to see your prototype in action. Export or share your work. Export code snippets or share prototypes for collaboration.